Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Saturn. Rules Capricorn, sub-ruler Aquarius, exaltation Libra, detriment Cancer, fall Aries, responsible, good or bad result of action. Jif, sickle of Kronos, the god of time, represents urge for security and safety. Anatomy, the skin, the skeletal system, including the teeth, ligaments, knees, left ear and auditory organs, gallbladder, parathyroid glands, body protein. Keyword, the teacher, general, rules form, discipline, responsibility, organization, ambition, capacity for a career, limitations, sorrows and delays. Saturn rules theories and scientific law, older persons, depth, patience, timing, tradition, conventionality, orthodoxy and productive use of time. Saturn represents the principles of truth, of contraction, of solidification, of wisdom and of aging. Its action is slow and lasting. Saturn is the taskmaster of the horoscope. In earlier times it was known as the Greater Malefic. Where you find Saturn in the horoscope is where you feel least secure and tend to overcompensate. 12th house, it means mental health. It shows the state of your mind. Limitations, frustration, hidden strength, subconscious mind. Natural sign is Pisces. Natural ruler is Neptune. Keyword is subconscious. 12th house is a house of endings and water. Quality is Caden house. General, the 12th house reveals your unknown or potential strengths and weaknesses. This house shows suffering, restraint, disability, secrecy, seclusion, frustration and action behind the scenes. And it identifies places of imprisonment, prisons, hospitals, psychiatric institutions, etc., and restraint, inhibition, exile, secret enemies, potential dangers, self-disturbing issues and secrets. Honey. This house shows the things we hide from others. Research, foundation, subjective maintenance, inner consciousness, subconscious mind, spiritual debts to pay, karma, but also charity, sympathy and public welfare. It's often called the horoscope's wardrobe or trash bin because here we sweep away or hide too painful problems to face or difficulties we refuse to admit. Saturn in the 12th house. Saturn in the 12th house of your natal chart indicates that you will work in solitude rather than behind the scenes of an organization or being the center of attention. You are a little shy, you prefer periods of solitude where you can think about your own life and life in general. That's why you're looking for a home or workplace that saves you time away from the rest of the community. You can work happily and peacefully on your own without being watched by the world. For this reason, you should be careful not to hide from the world by not being able to face the demands of daily life. However, you are more likely to enjoy your own company. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.